Welcome to the Garten Driver Training video. In this video, you will learn the Garten Senpex delivery procedure, including restocking machines, using the Senpex driver app, COVID protocols, and food safety. Finding the warehouse facility might be challenging at first. Be sure to follow the green circle as shown on screen. Once you enter the facility, identify your delivery by checking the Senpex driver app and swipe Arrive to Pickup Location. Be sure the cooler's KID number matches the number in the Senpex driver app. KID numbers are important and unique to every location you deliver to. Check the items in the cooler to ensure you have the correct order and items in your delivery. Always ensure you have the correct badge or credentials for the accounts you're servicing that day. Some client sites or locations require this to enter. Now, let's go over some COVID safety protocols. Prior to entering any of our clients' sites or vendor locations, we ask that you ensure you are not exhibiting or feel COVID symptoms. Do not come to work sick. At client sites, always wear your face mask over the bridge of your nose and secure over your mouth. Always wear gloves when interacting with the machine. Always practice social distancing while at client sites. This is the policy of most facilities we deliver to. Wash your hands often with soap and warm water. Food safety is a big part of our success in every delivery. Be sure to follow these guidelines when inspecting the product in our warehouse. 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below is considered safe. Remember to fill out the time and temperature logs. This is important because the health department always asks for these during an inspection. If you see anything that looks moldy or unsafe to eat, communicate this to the warehouse manager. Never load it. Before leaving the warehouse, make sure you have all the items necessary to your delivery. This includes your assigned coolers, a dolly, temperature gun, masks, gloves, proof of vaccination, cleaning supplies, and Senpex app device. Once you are finished double-checking everything, you are ready for delivery. On the Senpex driver app, take a photo of the coolers you will be taking with you and swipe Picked Up. On the app, you will see an optimized route for your delivery by clicking on Show More Locations or on the map. Utilize this route to offer the best delivery experience to the client. Please drive safe. When arriving to the client site, pull into their loading dock or designated loading area and swipe Arrive to Drop-Off Location on the Senpex driver app. Check in with security and be ready to show your proof of vaccination or proof of negative test. Always have proof of vaccination with you during each and every delivery. While unloading food items from your car, check the temperature of the food with the temperature gun. Driver safety. Be sure to use loading docks when available. If you use street parking or an alleyway, please do your best to park safely for your own protection when loading and unloading. Be sure to utilize the supplied dollies while transporting coolers. Now you're ready to restock machines with product. Before interacting with the machine, be sure to always wear gloves. Some client locations have multiple machines. Identify the correct machine with the matching cooler KID number before beginning the restocking process. To unlock the machine, enter your credentials. These credentials should be available to you in the delivery description. If not, contact the support team through the chat in the Senpex driver app. You must take photos of the machine, cooler with the KID number, and photo of temperature gun reading of the cooler using the Senpex driver app. After unlocking the machine, check for items that will expire before the next service date. These items must be pulled from the machine. Any items pulled from the machine must be put back into the cooler and returned back to the warehouse. But if the item looks moldy or unsafe, it must be thrown away immediately. When loading the machine, think of FIFO, or first in, first out. This means any new items being added will be placed in the back while older items will be towards the front. Make sure the machine is clean and wipe down the machine even if it looks visually clean. When you are done restocking and cleaning the machine, be sure to lock it and take another photo of the vendor machine with the cooler KID number using the Senpex driver app. We take clear photos as proof to the client that the delivery has been complete. Once this is done, swipe Delivered through the Senpex driver app to officially complete the stop. Then proceed to the next stop. If your machine is not working correctly or running at an unsafe temperature, submit a ticket to market@garten.co. When submitting a ticket, please include the KID number and brief description of the issue. Here are some food safety guidelines to remember. Before restocking, check the expiration dates of each item. If something is expired or will expire before the next service date, remove the items. Visually inspect the inside of the machine for spills or other indicators that the machine needs to be cleaned. We can arrange a cleaning or servicing based on your feedback. Don't forget to log the time and temperature of the delivery. In this video, you should have learned a full understanding of the Senpex driver app, delivery process, and health and safety standards. If you have any questions regarding any steps of the process, call 669-777-5733. Thanks for watching, and please drive safe.